So there's this flat-hard meme out there in the blogosphere which does an analysis on this Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter image from NASA, and it purports to show that NASA have committed some sort of massive fraud, because when you elevate the levels on the image, you can see this distinct rectangle here on the image. And I actually did a YouTube video on this meme a while back where I tried to reproduce this analysis, and I was unable to do so. When I tried to do analysis on this Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter image, I couldn't reproduce the grey rectangle when raising the levels. But it turns out I've learnt that the analysis was actually done on a different image. And yeah, I learnt that I was using the wrong image from watching this video from a guy called The Controversy. And yeah, this guy went onto this website, this Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter website, and downloaded an image from there. He downloaded this image, and you can download this image from this link here. So he downloaded this image, and yes, indeed, when you do analyze this image with raised levels, you do in fact see this rectangle around the part of the Earth there. So this looks pretty damning, right? Well, if you actually go to the website where that image was taken and have a look at this photo here, you'll notice something interesting on the caption. It says, on the left, the Earth and Moon have the same contrast stretch. In the center, the brightness of the Moon is increased relative to that of Earth, and on the right, the color for the Earth only is overlain on the middle image. And it's this third image that we have downloaded and done the analysis on. So right here on the very website where the photo has come from, the scientists are actually telling you that they've made this image using a composite technique. So all this meme is showing us is that when a scientist says they're going to use a composite technique to make a photograph, they actually are using a composite technique to make a photograph. So what you've proved is, yes, that the image that they said they used a composite technique to create was in fact created by a composite technique. So you can't accuse NASA of lying when they told you on the website how they made the photo. They told you they made it using a composite technique. Typical flat-hard stupidity. So yeah, you haven't discovered shit. What you have discovered is that because scientists are honest people, they'll tell you how they did something. And this whole page is full of information about how this Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter image was created from actual data. And in fact, on this website, you can actually download the images that went to make up the composite. You can download those images in the raw format. And if you download this one here, this Earth and Moon BW dual stretch, yeah, I downloaded it earlier, and let me find it. It comes down as, here it is, Earth and Limb M1199291564 L_BW_2stretch.tiff. And if you load this into an image editor, like I'm loading it into the GIMP here, if you load this into an image editor and try and adjust the levels, change the brightness and contrast, try and bring the levels up to reveal a grey rectangle, you can't do it. You don't get a grey rectangle at all. If you bring up the levels enough, you do reveal some compression artifacts, but you cannot reproduce that rectangle effect. So this again shows that the image that NASA has is genuine. There's no evidence in the source image of any image manipulation. So what we have here is another clear case of flat-hard fucktardery.